my favorite car of the show. Hard to believe I'd like a white 69 Camaro, but I'd say this is my favorite car of the show. I'm just trying to butter you up so I can buy it for half of what it's worth.
I know it'll be on YouTube.
Well, I hope so, if this camera allows it. 396, 375 horse, all original, beautiful restoration, chambered exhaust. And this guy's gonna light him up because he knows what he has. High performance, 375, solid lifter. Light him up! Oh yeah. 68 Chevelle, 65 Mustang, and a Dodge Hemi towing a trailer. Monte Carlo SS, Cummins, turbo, 1 ton. What's in the trailer? Nobody knows. Oh, we love coming to Muclepalooza. We're just having a bad camera day. We'll fix it, we promise. Saline Mustang, Roush 5 liter. Light them up! Well, things will be quiet for a minute. We got a GTO Judge, 1969. SRT V10 Viper, light them up! 69 GTO Judge, here come the Judge, light them up! 366 horsepower Ram Air. Things will be quiet for a minute. We got a V8 Vega coming. All right, Camaro and Mustang Vega GT. Could have been a Cosworth. Iron Duke by the end of 1975 production. Sounds like an M2 rock crusher. M22, M2. All right, we're done at Muclepalooza. This camera phone is junk.